interesting one today. Now, I don't know much about this. I think it came out like 2007, 2008, the Diva Diamond. A half-point diamond set and silver heart-shaped necklace. To Samsung S5150 metallic silver. Glitter and hidden LED screen. Female-themed user interface with wish list. Beauty editing apps and a 3.2 megapixel camera. I hope this turns on. I really do. Let's have a look. I've got a feeling that's not going to be in there. I think this might have been included on a multi-unboxing video I did, but what have we got? So we have, okay, it's micro USB charger, which can connect to the computer. Samsung new PC Studio. So Windows Vista, so it's Windows 7 2009 maybe. That's the warranty. There's the phone itself. Oh, that's awful looking. GTS 5150. User's phone screen is broken. So this is the phone. This is an external LED. Camera lens, speaker, battery, internal antenna, camera key, multi-function jack. Okay, special function key, mouthpiece. Must be a lot on it. Well, first things first, let us check the battery. Oh God, that's awful, look at that. It's so reflective from the lighting. Okay, so how do we remove the back? Like that. Battery check. No SIM card, does take SD card. Doesn't look to be swollen at all. That's a good sign. Just it's so reflective, like you kind of need to, for my lighting. It feels pretty solid though, to be honest. Okay. It's in pretty good condition as well. You've got that like kind of like, come on, focus. Got that kind of like, you can't focus on it. Okay, let's try opening it. Let's see if it turns on. Maybe it's a different. Okay, it does look, it looks used, but that's handy. I've got a, what does it charge for? No, yeah, they had that annoying thing to, I can't concentrate on it because of the bloody reflectiveness. There we go. Let's see if it charges. There's no indication of charge. Okay, let's finish with this thing while I last on the change belt. I'm going to leave it a little bit for 20 minutes and then I'll be back. Back with part 2, I still can't get over how bad that looks. It's charging. Is it going to turn on? Ah, yes! We are getting some luck recently. O2, welcome to O2. I'm good, how are you? Let's have a look. So these buttons don't do anything. Assign your favourite contacts to a buddy list. No. Oh crap, there are still numbers on it. Okay, we'll avoid that. Alarms. So, that button goes into that goes into menu, okay. Fucking stop it. MySpace, Facebook, Alarms, Inbox, create message, music. Is there any music on it? Music player. I do kind of like that female orientated. How do they describe it? Female themed user interface with wishlist. I quite like the font, if I'm being honest. I'm not going to play that. Artists. The script, Jennifer Lopez. Sorry if the screen is getting loud. Okay, let's have a look at the menu. Okay, that looks like a general menu. Application select, communities, image editor, Bluetooth, okay. Let's have a look. Log, phone book, music, my files, messages. I'm going to see if there are any conversations. Yes. There are messages in there. Oh, for God's sake. That will be my cat throwing up. Inbox. The last message I checked is from 2008. Email accounts. Internet. Saved pages. I'm assuming it. I don't think this is 3G. Doesn't say it on there. And if it was, I feel like it would be a selling point on it. So maybe he used Edge. This thing is so small. Settings. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Well, that's definitely seen. Can you need to push a button for it, or how do you access that? I've got buttons there. No buttons seem to activate it, so that's not great. Don't think that camera button's working actually. Let's check out the camera. I didn't actually see the option for that. There it is. Please wait. Not enough memory. Delete some items from your phone. Okay. I will have to have a look at that. Yeah. Oh, that camera button does work. I don't think there's a reverse camera, is there? Oh no, there might be. Is there a camera on the inside? Okay, that's a mode. No, I guess there isn't. There's no selfies in this. I'm gonna clear some stuff up. That's really cool. But that, God, is just awful. Well, thank you for joining me. See you in the next video.